Hi, this is Del from Aldana Sarmiento & Company. Welcome to our webcast presentation. Ascpa has prepared a number of recorded presentations to disseminate important information for our clients and visitors. But before we proceed to our webcast, we would like to remind our participants that we have rules to follow in viewing our webcast. It is important that our participants must understand the webcast terms and conditions so that they would know the general purpose of this presentation, what to expect from our presentation, and then understand the do's and don'ts in watching our webcast. We use the internet to broadcast our lectures and general instructional materials through online presentation. Our multimedia materials are pre-recorded and then uploaded to the video streaming server to allow our invited participants to watch our presentation during the scheduled webcast. Our webcasts focus on specific topics and recent issues in accounting, finance, tax, operations, and business applications that affect the day-to-day operations of our client. We have archived our previous webcast presentation to our YouTube account. For general viewing, please tune in to Rag Sarmiento YouTube account. But for now, please join me in reading the terms and conditions before we proceed to our main webcast presentation. By accessing our webcast presentation, you acknowledge that you have read and understood the terms and conditions of viewing our webcast. If you do not agree with our terms and conditions, please stop playing the recorded material. Our webcast presentation shall not be interpreted as a professional advice or consultation from Ascpa. The information obtained from our webcast shall not be acted upon without the assistance of our professional accountants and/or consultants who are aware of your business conditions, circumstances, and jurisdiction. Our webcast is not the means to earn credits for the continuing professional education of our fellow certified public accountants in the Philippines. Neither we are a CPA provider nor intend to become one for the accountancy profession in the Philippines. The ultimate purpose of using this webcast is for the information dissemination only. It shall not be used for any unlawful purposes. You shall not reproduce, transmit, broadcast, or distribute our webcast materials without the express written consent of Ascpa. We have the right to limit your access to our webcast materials without further notice. If the conduct of the participant is detrimental to the image and well-being of Ascpa, we have the right to terminate your access and seek legal remedies for the reparation of our webcast presentations and other related materials. We are not liable for any damages incurred by our participants in the direct, indirect, incidental, or consequential use of the information contained in our webcast presentation. We make the best effort to provide the most recent, accurate, and reliable information for our clients and visitors. Our recorded material may have been superseded by new information from concerned authorities. As a result, we do not promise, guarantee, claim the timeliness, accuracy, and reliability of the information obtained from the webcast. We're not responsible for any error or omission of specific information from our webcast presentation. The professional advice contained in the webcast material shall not be used by the participant for the purpose of referring the obtained information for financial statement disclosures, tax declarations and avoidance reduction schemes, promotion and marketing campaigns, publicity, recommendation, and other related actions pertaining to the matter addressed in the webcast material. This legal disclaimer represents the agreement between you and Ascpa in regard to our responsibilities of providing information in our webcast presentations. You also acknowledge the legal disclaimer shall be used as our basis to support our claim for any actions made against us by the participants for the damages incurred as a result of obtaining the information contained in the webcast materials. Now that you have read the terms and conditions for viewing our webcast presentation, we thank you for your cooperation. We will now proceed to our main presentation.